So we breathe. We allow ourselves right here and right now to engage the practice, a time of mindfulness. So I invite you to close your eyes, relax your shoulders, just arrive right here and right now. If you're new to meditation, to mindfulness, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Simply take a breath and try it on. So we tune into the breath, becoming conscious of the inhale and the exhale. As the breath slows down, the mind follows. We create the space for the mind to be still. As thoughts may arise, we just allow them to drift by like clouds in the sky. Simply noticing and returning to the breath. Shoulders relax, the arms, the back, the neck. Notice any tension in the jaw or the face, and just let it go. Moving our attention to the feet, feeling the ground, the earth, almost like rooting down. And then drawing the attention up a long, straight spine. Notice the crown of the head. And we breathe, simply feeling peace in this moment, peace in the body, peace in the stillness. Remembering there is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now, in this present moment. So as we breathe, we enter a state of allowing. Simply allowing ourselves the incredible gift of the space to become quiet. Opening our hearts and our minds to receiving the peace of the present silence. the space for gratitude. Gratitude for the wisdom to step apart for a while, to clear the mind and calm the body, to come home within. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the time and the life we've been given, and the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.